Hello, if you want to connect YouTube app to TV by using your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, then in order to do so first, we need to open the YouTube app. And then after that, over here in the top right corner, we will have this TV icon with a Wi-Fi looking icon as well. So we need to select that option. And then we can choose to cast to TV living room or something similar to that. Or we can use link with TV code option instead. So we can select one of these two options. Now, in addition to that, if you for instance go to a video, then you still have the option to mirror the video, to move it to the TV. So let me quickly try to show you. So even if you, as you can see, it is even recommending me right now how to do that. So let's quickly skip the ad before we move on. And let's say you can tap on the video itself in order to find the same icon here in this spot, and you can simply press it and you will have the cast to option as well. So even if you start the video first, you can still go to the casting option over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.